As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So, I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Q1200 and the Spirit 2 E310. What are the big differences?
Well, the Q1200 is definitely the more portable option. It weighs only 30 pounds and is much smaller, like 20.5 inches deep. The Spirit 2 E310, on the other hand, is a beast at 109 pounds and 52 inches deep.
Wow, that's a huge difference. So the Q1200 is better for tailgating or camping, right?
Absolutely. The Spirit 2 E310 is more of a stay-at-home grill. It has a much larger cooking area, 529 square inches, versus the Q1200's 189.
Okay, so size and portability are key. What about power?
The Spirit 2 E310 wins there too. It boasts 30,000 BTUs across 3 burners, while the Q1200 only has 1 burner producing 8,500 BTUs. That means the Spirit 2 can probably get hotter and cook faster and more evenly.
Makes sense. 3 burners are better than 1 for even cooking. What kind of fuel do they use?
Both are liquid propane. The Q1200 uses those small, disposable cylinders, making it easy to use on the go, but you can adapt it for a larger tank. The Spirit 2 E310 is designed for a standard propane tank.
Okay, so the Q1200 is more flexible with fuel. What about features?
The Spirit 2 has Weber's GS4 grilling system for better ignition and grease management, which is pretty cool. It also has an open cart design with tool hooks. The Q1200 has folding side tables, which are nice for a portable grill. Both have porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates, so that's a plus for both.
And what about price?
The Q1200 seems to be around $259, while the Spirit 2 E310 is in the $600 to $900 range, depending on the seller.
Okay, so the Spirit 2 is a significant investment. Sounds like it really comes down to how I plan to use it. If I need portability, the Q1200 wins, but for serious grilling at home, the Spirit 2 E310 is the way to go.
Exactly. Consider your needs and your budget, and you'll make the right choice.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.